welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see from the title below and by the intro, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a back to school everyday makeup look. I'm kind of late to this bandwagon, but technically for me summer has just ended and tomorrow are my last few days of summer, so technically, I mean, it's still back to school season for me. Right here at Kashmr Kreates, and add me on Snap if you want to see my crazy self all the time at Kashmr Kreates. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I like to do before any look is I go in to this little guy right here. This is the Aveeno Ultra Calming Moisturizer, and it has SPF in it. And with this product, a little goes a lot. Like you saw, if you see me looking like here or here or here, I'm looking into the monitor and the mirrors that I have around myself so I can see what I look like. While we're letting the product work into my skin, we're going to let it sit and we're going to go into our brows. So lately I've been loving this Ulta Beauty. Is it gonna focus? Are you gonna focus? Are you gonna focus? Come on now. Loving this Ulta Beauty mini eyebrow pencil thing. Basically, I got it in a gift set, but I never ever used it for some reason. I don't know why. I just like was hesitant to use it for my brows because I was really in love with pomade. Be using an eyebrow brush to just comb up the brow hairs. I'm just going to conceal around my brow with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I am in the color Dark Warm 40. Are you going to focus? It's not going to focus. Okay. You can tell like this is a new setup for me. This is a new camera, so I'm still like working with it and getting frustrated that it doesn't focus right away. Brows are done. You see how arched and ooh focus, yes, woo. So now we're gonna go into my foundation routine. Today I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Primer. I love this primer to death. It is so good for covering redness, and I have a lot around my nose, as you can see, and I have this little pimple right here that's super duper red because she's pretty new to the party. It's such a like luminous finish, and I think this primer is one of the best ones that I've ever tried from Bare Minerals. And today I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless 356 Warm Cappuccino, right? Yeah, Warm Coconut, sorry. e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Hey guys, this is Kashmir editing. As you can see, I'm trying to do that thing that they do on Instagram where they let like the product drip on their face, and it ended up just being really cringy. I'm gonna leave it in because I find it kind of funny that I thought I was Nikki Tutorials. Okay, I'm sorry. I was trying to come for her brand, and then my light went out, and yeah, just enjoy the video. When you apply with the brush, the product doesn't get as absorbed as it does into the Beauty Blender. So if you're going for but still like kind of light to like medium coverage, you want to do this step afterwards. And I found that this step really ensures that you don't have streaks and you don't have creases. Excuse me. It's so hot. I'm sorry, like I have to get it over. It's so hot. And I have this huge cup, this Wawa cup, and with all these lights on, woo child, I'm dying. Into the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. That's upside down. if you watch me on Instagram, I always say let your concealer sit for 2 to 5 minutes so that you can get the maximum coverage. What this does is it lets the product sit into your skin, and you're not just blending it away into the beauty blender, you're actually blending it into your skin. And oh, trust me, you're gonna thank me later. It looks good. It looks really good. Wait, do you guys hear that? Listen. ASMR. Oh my god, that's actually kind of weird. Like, kind of scared that my eye does that, but like every time I blend out my makeup, I always hear that little. I use the J-Cat Beauty Luxe Pro Powder in the color Banana, and then I have a separate beauty sponge that I use to place it on my face. And what I did all last school year, like when I really did not feel like putting on makeup, I would just go into this palette, and sometimes I'd wear without foundation and just like browse in this palette. And this is the best natural palette, especially if you're a beginner. I've had this one for years. Still pretty inexpensive. I believe that I got this around the time for maybe like $10. The Nudes Palette from Maybeline. I'm gonna go right into this color. It's like a grayish brown for my transition shade. Into this gray color, and I'm gonna stamp it on with a smaller shade of brush. I believe this is from Real Techniques. I don't really remember. This gray right here. Okay, and then right after that, I'm going to right back into the darkest gray and just pack that on. ColourPop Yes Please palette. Cake. It's this gorgeous gold shimmer, and I'm going to mix it with this color right here, Chauffeur, and I'm going to place that all over the lid. I'm just going to go back into my blending brush and just blend out the edges. Eyeliner. For winged eyeliner for school, I usually kept it really minimal. Like with my liner, like I'd stop it at my crease and then just connect the two on. For mascara, I'm mixing these two amazing mascaras. The first one is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline New York, and the second one is the La Amore mascara by NYX. This is like lighting, baby. Like, I am lit. Look at, that's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna go into my Lash Sensational. These NPR from Striped Lashes. I'll put their Instagram right here. They have amazing lashes. They sent me this pair and another pair of glam lashes, so thank you guys so much for giving me these lashes. I can't wait to try it. This is in the style 024. As you can see, I love these lashes. Look at them. They're like wispy and beautiful, and I love them. Okay, that's falling off a little bit. but I really do like these lashes. I'm gonna zoom you guys back out. That's never gonna get old. Like, I'm never gonna stop zooming. Like, I love feeling professional and just, look, you can see my pimples. Look at that. For everyone that's like, oh my god, you barely break out, you have flawless skin. You can see my pimples. I can't blur them out on this camera. No siree, baby, I can't do that. By the way, do you guys like my little cat ears? They're on backwards because I'm a mess, but like, that's so cute. Every time I'm getting ready, I like putting them on because it gets, so we just brush that off. Keep in mind that my everyday makeup is not everyone's everyday makeup. Everyday makeup for me is just natural colors, but I still use a lot of the same products that I use in my full face. I just go very light. I'm gonna set the rest of my face again. Bare Minerals Blemish Rescue Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. This is in the color Warm Tan. Now for contouring, the Makeup Forever Professional Sculpting Kit in the shade 4. Bronzer brush. Contour brush. This one is from Beauty Accents. And I'm just going to do the same thing except just more concentrated. We a little bit bronze down there as well. I mean, not for school because I wear uniform and that covers all of that up, but bro, I love zooming in. Oh my god, bro. Like, y'all can actually see the color in my eyes. Y'all can see the color of my eyeshadow. You can see all the mistakes I made with my eyeliner. Like, this is crazy. Look at my pimples. This is crazy. Down to my neck and to my chest and stuff. You don't need that for school. Nobody should be looking at your chest, but I do it anyways. Nose contouring, of course. I use the same thing. Where is she? She's right here. I use the same thing, and I'm gonna do this off camera because I want to keep this a secret. You guys are gonna find out one day how I nose contour, but not yet. Highlight today, I'm going in to this Avon Lightness Luminous Face and Body Powder. It's very sheer, so it's perfect for every day. Highlight, you know what I'm saying? I wish you'd focus. You gonna focus? Thank you, baby. Oh, highlight. Oh, highlight. Oh. Oh my god. This is already pretty dramatic for most people. But this is natural for me, so. For lips today, and what I used all the time in school, I'm going to be going into my Ulta Beauty. You can see it's legit at the Ulta Beauty matte lip gloss in the color Under. I've had chapstick setting on my lips while I was doing my makeup, so. No, my lips are not dry. No, they are not crusty. Sometimes they are, but they're not today. Fix Illuminating Spray. I've been in love with this, and it gives you a nice sheen. You're going to see after I spray it on, I look very glowy, cakiness, and it turns it into a little bit toned down version of Kashmir. Like right now we're at like, I'd say like there's 10 levels of Kashmir. Top 10 being like full face makeup that I wear like every single day on the daily, and then 1 being like no makeup. It takes you from like a 5 or 6 to like maybe like a 3, because again, this is a natural look, so we're so much for watching. If you liked the video, you can leave a like down below. Even if you didn't like the video, you can still leave a like. Comment down below, share this video so your friends can become creators as well, and most importantly, keep creating. I love you all.